Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu reports, at the occasion of Hajjatul Wada, farewell pilgrimage, when my ailment got more critical, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to inquire after my health. I said, I am seriously ill. I possessed a lot of wealth, but I have no heir except a daughter. Should I give 2/3 of my property out of charity? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. I said half of it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. I said 1/3. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, even 1/3 is excessive. It is better to leave the heirs affluent than to leave them destitute, begging from the people. Whatever you spend to please Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you will get its reward even for what you put in your wife's mouth. I said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I will be left behind my companions. He said, you will not be left behind, rather you will perform numerous good deeds, which will upgrade you and elevate your rank. And if perhaps you are left behind, some people will be benefited by you, while others will suffer loss from you. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, make the immigration of my companions complete and do not make them turn back. But there is a regret for Saad bin Khawla. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam felt sorry for him, for he died in Makkah Mukarramah. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1295.